Hi folks, I'm Chef Kevin, and I just used my food saver to vacuum pack some leftover turkey here. Let me show you this machine. Hi again, this is Chef Kevin. This is my food saver V4400. They make several different models. This is one of the fancier ones. And really been using it a lot, and I would recommend it. Most people buy these to save money. This way you can buy in bulk and then keep the food frozen for quite a long time. The owner's manual actually states something like I just showed you. The frozen turkey is good for 2 to 3 years. So that's pretty good. Another reason why these people buy these machines is for portion control. You can weigh out a certain amount of food on a scale or another device just for one portion, and then use it when you want to. This way you're not tempted to overeat. Okay, there's a lot of different bags and techniques you can use for these machines, but they're all relatively simple. All the machines basically do the same thing. They remove air from the bag. Okay, let's get into the bags. Okay, we have what they call a zippered bag here, and it's closed at the bottom. It's open at the top, and it has a zip lock at the top, and it also has a suction port where you place the suction cup, and that'll remove the air. I'll show you how to use that. This is what they call a pre-cut bag. Again, this one is sealed at the bottom, open at the top. Now these bags come in different sizes. This is a bag that they call the Easy Load, I believe. Easy Fill, sorry, Easy Fill. It is seamed at the bottom, but this one is a little bit different. This has a gusset at the bottom, so you can place food in it a little bit easier. And then of course it comes with a roll of bags. These are probably the most economical way to use this machine. So let's get into some bagging, show you how that's done. Now I won't be bagging real food just to make it easy on myself and to be practical. What I am bagging are gum drops. Alright, let's get right into this. Okay, so here I have the pre-cut bag. This is a quart. They come in different sizes. And you're supposed to have about 4 inches between the top of the food and the top of the bag. Okay, the machine is on. All you have to do is put it in the slot. Wait for the red light to go off. Wait for it. There you go. There is hardly any air in here at all. Now, like I said, if this was turkey, they say 2 to 3 years. These are gumballs. These will probably last 100 years. Okay, let's try the next bag. Okay, this is the easy fill bag with the gusset. It's a little easier. Okay, same thing. Should have four inches between the food and the top. I have a little bit more than that. I could trim it with the scissors, but I'm not going to get an advantage from that. Okay, all you gotta do is put it inside. Wait for it. This machine is really fun to use. Okay, again, hardly any air. Into the freezer. Okay, the next bag is a little different. This is the zipper bag, and I think this is the most impractical bag you can use. I've just noticed that these gumballs, which are hard as hell, are actually getting crushed from all the force created. That is impressive. Okay, close the Ziploc. Okay, now this bag you do not put in the slot. What you do is use this accessory. This comes out. This is a suction cup, and you have to place it exactly how they show you on the bag. There's an elliptical piece. It's kind of hard to see. You can see that. There's an elliptical piece, and you put it down on a hard surface and just put the suction cup over the elliptical piece. Okay, same thing, no air. Okay, the advantage to this bag is the fact that once you open it, you could reseal it and keep the food cold in your fridge. Okay, the last bag is the roll. Okay, the roll is the most economical bag, and how it works is open up the cover, place it in the well. Place the bag under the cutter. Determine how much bag you need. Cut the bag. Okay, there's a couple of extra steps involved in this, as you can see. Okay, press seal. Insert. Make sure you have the white portion up. That's going to make a seal at the bottom of the bag. Sealed. Okay, if you can see this, they have it marked out every 2 inches. So these are a little bit easier to use, I think, than the other bags. Okay, all I have to do is put it back in the slot. Make sure that white label is up. Wait for it. There you go. No air. These are definitely the most economical bags. Just a couple of extra steps involved, but there's really nothing to it. You can also label these before you shrink it down. And that's really a good idea, because if you have a lot of material, you can use the oldest stuff first. And as far as getting the bags, you can get them at Walmart, where I get mine from. Amazon, of course. And if you search around, you can usually get a good deal on them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you use your food saver. Thanks for watching this video.